Hello friends, welcome to the Janyaa platform. As I said, exciting times ahead. Today we are looking at another interesting concept in mathematics, which is linear equations. Now, whether you have books, whether you have pens or any other form, you can represent it in the form of an algebraic expression. So we'll try to see how these pair of linear equations can be solved using colored buttons and graphical representation. Now let us try to have two linear equations and let us try to solve them using a graph paper. So this is a linear equation, 3x plus 2y is equal to 80. Now x can represent your books, y can represent your pens. So what we can say is that 3 books and 2 pens cost rupees 80. Another statement could be 4 books plus 3 pens cost rupees 110. Using graph paper, that this can be represented by a straight line. So if I take x as 0, I get y as 40. So this is one point. Another point, by taking y as 0, x we get 26 point something. So we draw this straight line. Similar way we draw this straight line. Now the point where this intersects, where x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 10. Also, the same thing can be solved using some fantastic colored buttons that I have. I have represented this equation in the form of colored buttons. So when I say 3 books and 2 pens cost 80, so 3 books plus 2 pens cost 80. Similarly, 4 books plus 3 pens I have represented in this form. So as you can see, this plus this is equal to 110. Now what we do is, we try to neutralize or make sure that we get rid of this y. So if I multiply this equation by 3 and if I multiply this equation by 2 and then I subtract this equation from this equation, what do I get? So if I multiply this equation by 3, this will become 9. So this will become 9x plus 6y. So this will become 6y is equal to, I am multiplying it by 3, so this will become 240. I am multiplying this equation by 2, this will become 8x plus 6y is equal to 220. Now once I subtract this equation from this equation, and what I am left with is x. This will cancel out these two things, and 240 minus 220 will give you 20. So this becomes x is equal to 20. Now if I put x, the value of x in this equation, x is equal to 20 into 3, which is 60, and if I take it to this side, it becomes 20. So the 2y is equal to 20, therefore I get the value of y as 10. So using colored buttons, we can play with the colored buttons, solve different equations, express different things in your day-to-day life using buttons, and then find the values of the same. So be curious, have fun, and looking forward to some exciting times ahead. Thank you.